How to use Tier Scooter in Germany. So starting a ride with Tier is as easy as it is fun. Download the Tier app by clicking the link down in the description and you're going to get 50% off your next 5 rides. Sign up and follow the steps below to start moving. Step number 1. Find an e-scooter near you on the map in the app. Step number 2. Scan the QR code to unlock your e-scooter and to start a ride. Step number 3. Push the e-scooter forward to flick the kickstand back and you're ready to go. Step number 4. To get moving, place one foot on the board and use the other foot to push off. Use the right acceleration lever to gain speed. Step number 5. Let go of the acceleration lever to decrease your speed or gently squeeze the left or right hand brake to slow down even more and to come to a stop. Step number 6. Use the left and right indicators to signal your movements to other road users. Step number 7. When you're done, park in a designated parking spot or find a safe place on the pavement away from pedestrians. Step number 8. Pull the e-scooter back onto its kickstand, tap and ride in the app, and you're done. And don't forget that you can get 50% off your next 5 rides by using my link down in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.